Good morning, everybody. My name is Juan Antonio Flores. I am here at TSI in Pharr, Texas. I am here just fixing up a nice little beef with orange peel dish for you. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've just gone ahead and just seared this beef really quickly. It's been marinated in a solution of soy sauce and hot pepper paste with some green onions for about an hour. I went ahead and seared it a little bit earlier. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this because I'm going to deglaze this with some sherry. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this nice and back hot up again. And I'm going to go ahead and throw in some sherry. It's flammable, so be careful. About 1, 2. Scrape up all that foam that's on the bottom. That's where all the flavor's at. So notice how all the stuff on the bottom is coming off. That's where all your flavor's at. And then once you get all that off, you're going to go ahead and throw in your vegetables. So I got some julienne ginger and some julienne bell peppers here. Go ahead and throw these in real quick. We'll saute this for like 30 seconds, just by themselves for a little bit. Those veggies are going to absorb all that delicious meat juice that comes out of the marinated beef. Make sure to keep them moving so they don't burn. Alright, they're nice and wilted, so now I'm going to go ahead and with our marinade solids. This is just green onions from our little marinade, and orange peel. I forgot to mention that. That's where the orange part comes from. There we go. Thank you. And these are going to saute. They're all coated in soy sauce, so this is going to taste real good. So all this is going to saute for about 2 minutes, just until everything in the pot gets nice and soft. If anything looks like it's charring, you can turn the heat down. That's fine. You can smell just how amazing that marinade, how amazing that smells. This is going to taste amazing. And again, keep everything moving because you leave it alone for too long. All it takes is 5 seconds for it to burn if you're not being careful with it. I think now we can go ahead and add in our beef that we sauteed earlier. Mix that up. The heat nice and on. If the meat is not to your doneness beforehand, it'll be done by the time we cook it here. Saute it for a little longer. Last step is I'm just going to add a little bit of cornstarch slurry just so we can thicken things up a little bit. Just like that. This is just water and cornstarch. Just so we can get this little sauce forming here. And I think she's ready to go, guys. And there you go, guys. This is our beef with orange peel. You can see beautiful coating of the sauce all over the vegetables and the beef. It smells of sake, of sherry. It smells of beef. It smells of soy sauce. Really delicious, guys. Hope you enjoy.